Now on to day 8. Today we have dark red, and I realized how spoiled I've been since the beginning of this challenge, because every day I've had at least 2 different Posca pen tip sizes to work with, which is really convenient for filling in different sized areas efficiently. Today is the first day I've had only a 3M tip, so filling in larger areas was a bit of a struggle. As for the image, honestly, all I could think of was roses for this one. I hate roses, like the actual flowers. I don't mind drawing them so much because I usually find them very easy, and for some reason my brain was like, oh, you should definitely do roses, this is a great color for that. Ugh. However, I didn't want to do just roses, see my earlier statement about disliking them, so I decided that since this was such a dark red, it was maybe, a little gothic, maybe a little macabre, so I ended up doing a skull surrounded by roses, since I thought the white skull would be a good contrast against the dark red of the roses, which did end up being pretty dark, true to the color name. But unlike the videos I've put up before of me using a brush tipped, something or another, either a marker or a pen or a brush or anything, to do quick roses, today there is no brush tipped Posca pen to use at my leisure. Clearly I should have done roses yesterday, what was I thinking? So I had to color them in petal by petal. In order to create some separation, I didn't want to put white highlights on the image. I wanted it to look like a tattoo or something of that nature, so I added a lot of black shading, as you can see, and I colored the roses 1 or 2 petals at a time so I wouldn't lose the separation or the shapes of the petals as I went. I wanted to know exactly where each petal was so that it would look how I wanted it to in the end. And let me tell you, filling in those big rose petals, I definitely found myself wishing for a 5M tip at times, to say nothing of wanting a brush tip. But that's okay, I got through it, and now we have dark red, check, done. See you tomorrow for the next one.